REDTIGER F77 V2 4K Dashcam. Ultimate front and rear protection for your ride. Tired of unreliable dashcams that fail when you need them most? Poor video quality, microSD failures, and clunky controls leave you stressed and unprotected. Every accident, hit and run, or unexpected road event could slip by unnoticed. Feeling exposed behind the wheel or anxious about parked car incidents makes driving far more nerve-wracking than it should be. Missed evidence, unclear footage, and frustrating setup can make daily driving a headache. One slip, one collision, and suddenly insurance claims become a nightmare. Stress builds as old dash cams fail in low light, long trips, or even during parking. Without reliable coverage, your peace of mind is at risk every mile you drive. Enter the REDTIGER F77 V2, 256GB dual 4K dashcam, the ultimate upgrade for road safety. Equipped with dual STARVIS 2 IMX678 4K cameras, it captures ultra-clear footage of both front and rear views, even at night. The massive 256GB eMMC storage eliminates microSD worries, safely storing hours of high-resolution video with ECC checking and power-off protection. One rideshare driver shared, "It caught a minor fender bender while parked, the license plate was crystal clear, and my insurance claim was stress-free." Enjoy hands-free voice control with 12 commands, a responsive 4-inch touchscreen, and built-in GPS to log your speed and route. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, transfer and view footage instantly on your phone. Additional features like G-sensor autolock, parking monitor, and loop recording ensure critical events are always captured. Compact, user-friendly, and durable, the F77 V2 transforms driving stress into confidence, giving you unmatched protection, clarity, and convenience every mile. Experience total peace of mind with the REDTIGER F77 V2. Its dual 4K recording delivers sharp, detailed video of license plates, street signs, and passengers, while super night vision handles low light and dark conditions effortlessly. Experts say the 256GB eMMC storage is a game changer, eliminating the biggest dashcam failure point, the microSD card. Influencers add, perfect for rideshare drivers, front and rear coverage plus parking mode is invaluable. Users rave, "I can read plates from blocks away, and the parking monitor caught someone hitting my parked car, it saved me thousands." Installation is easy, voice commands keep your hands on the wheel, loop recording and autolock ensure nothing is lost. GPS logs speed and route for evidence, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes playback and sharing effortless. Imagine long road trips fully recorded, late-night drives crystal clear, or parked car incidents captured automatically, all without swapping SD cards. With dual STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, 256GB storage, voice control, GPS, Wi-Fi, G-sensor, loop recording, and touchscreen, the F77 V2 is more than a dashcam, it's a driving safety partner that's always vigilant, compact, and ready. Don't risk another mile unprotected. The REDTIGER F77 V2, 256GB dual 4K dashcam is in limited supply. Join thousands of drivers who've upgraded to ultra-clear front and rear coverage, hands-free voice control, and reliable 24/7 parking monitoring. Secure yours today to capture every journey, protect your vehicle, and drive stress-free. Act now, every second on the road without proper coverage could cost you peace of mind or worse. Upgrade your dashcam game before it's too late.